What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bit of a nasty one on this Audi Q3 today, and the weather's absolutely shocking. £600 for this repair though. Let's go get it. Before we start, let's get this edge back straight. Perfect. With jobs like this where swage lines have been destroyed, I always start with grinding off the paint where the swage lines used to be, so I can stick those pins on and pull those areas back where they're meant to go. Now that's all pulled out, the best I can get it for the time, I sand the area around the repair with 180 grit sandpaper to get it ready for filler. As usual, when I finish the filler repair, I add the 440 Express to seal in the filler and make priming easier. Here we are going on with the first coat of primer, and then the second. I really do love how quick and convenient the UV primer is. Quick refreshment break. Once that's cured, I block the primer with 320 grit on the flat block. Switching up here to the curve block to get into those awkward curved areas. And now that's all blocked, I go over the area with 500 grit to remove any 320 blocking scratches. Now we're all prepped to mask for paint, I spray on some white Spectre primer, just to give the white base coat a helping hand with coverage. Once that's dried, a quick tack off and on with the base coat. And now it's time to clear. A quick tack off of the blend area to remove any overspray before clearing. That's the first coat of clear done, now to leave it to flash off for 5 minutes before getting onto the second coat. A quick squirt of fade out thinners to melt that blend into the old paint. And one final check before getting to polishing. A quick tickle of the paint edge and it's like nothing ever happened. And there we have it, guys. Not an easy one, but another one repaired. Thanks for watching.